All right, so you're gonna upload the image of your car to Canva on your phone. You're gonna use delete background or background remover and put a green screen in the background of that car, then download it to your laptop or computer. So once you do that, you'll be all set to go, and make sure the car is facing the same position as the movie or show car. That's how you make this easy. So you gotta airdrop it or send it to your computer or laptop. And once you send it, you can name it. That way you know which one it is. As you can see, I have my car the same position as Han's car. Sorry about that. Han's car in the photo. I'm gonna show you the prompt. All right, my bad. I had to buy some credits. Wow, that's bad luck, but hopefully I get good luck. I'm ready to spend them anyway. But anyway, to get to this page, right, you're gonna go to all tools. Once this pops up, which a lot of videos show you how to do it, but they have the old Kling AI update. So this is the new update. You're gonna go to Omni. Once you go to Omni, you are going to copy this prompt. So this is the prompt. Replace the parked vehicle with the whatever your car looks like. Make sure you detail what your car looks like. So because my car is mostly just a white coupe, AI can pick up that I'm talking about this car, that I want to replace the parked vehicle with the white coupe in the photo. So you're gonna upload the video you're using to video required, then the image of your car, the green screen. And the green screen again helps for AI to pick up your car better, and it'll be a faster process for the AI to replace the vehicle. And so replace the parked vehicle with the white coupe in the photo. The new car must be an exact match as the one shown in the photo. Also, match the cinematic motion of the original clip. Also, keep the same characters from the original clip. That way AI doesn't start to change Han into Vin Diesel or some crazy stuff like that. That way it keeps all the same people. So I'm ready to try with this new clip. I also am gonna try with like the car in motion. So the video, this one, we're gonna try with this clip right here. So hit upload. So it's loading. Once it loads, I'll fast forward this video to when it loads. All right, so it loaded. It's right there. I'm gonna do the image, upload image. We got my car, upload. Alrighty, so right here is where you write the prompt. So all I'm gonna do is copy and paste. 1 second. All right, so I copied and pasted the prompt. There you go. Just in case you guys wanna just snapshot it and copy it from your phone or whatever you're on. So this is where you kind of configure it. So it got audio. You can do how long you want it for. I don't know how long. Let me see how long this video is. All right, so the video is about 10 seconds, but I'm gonna do about 9. I'm gonna see, because this is a simple task. So the video is about 9 to 10 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna choose. If you're using the free version, you only get about 66 credits. So you may want to buy some more if you want to make more videos. So let's generate. All right, so it's loading. It said 23 minutes right there. Now it says 4 minutes. I was ready to get scared. Like, man, I'm trying to hurry up, upload this so that everybody can do their videos. Oops. All right, here it goes. There we go. Yo, I can't wait to play this. Hold on. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, he's getting out of the coupe. Hold on. He shut my door. He's walking in the thing to get beat up. Let's go. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the car moving scene. So now y'all definitely know how to do it yourself, but I never tackled the car in motion. So let's try that real quick. We can learn it together. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is test both sides of the front end of the car because I don't have a straightforward front end, and the car should recreate the scene of Han pulling up to the bathhouse. 1 minute left. Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's sick. Oh. It even got the affinity badge right. Alright, so that's how you do it. Can't wait to see what y'all come up with. And can't wait to see y'all cool cars. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up. Go make your video. Go be in the Fast and Furious. Do it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Get in.
I'll get you your money.
Why are you talking like you have a choice? There's a guy in there with a paw that owes me some money.
A paw?
Who gave me my money?
Okay.